Shut me down, please just love me with your steel eye. Reboot you if you look at me with those cold eyes. One more time. Can you hear me? You haven't moved an inch. Is this system failure? What should I do? Your new interface, it seems to have some bugs. You're not responding. I think they broke you.
Upload here.
Hello and welcome to version 2